you as well. In teaching, it's not only that I am the dispenser of knowledge, but I am also a facilitator of learning. This is what we are doing as teachers as well. So I'm just presenting this one to you in order for you to apply also in your respective classes. Because learning is not going to be learning if it's not going to be applied and to be translated into action in your respective classes. That's the beauty of teaching. People will say that it's very hard to teach, but for me, it's very easy. For as long as you know the strategies and the people will understand you, and that's the beauty that there is learning. Even Jesus Christ did not study masteral degree program. He did not even have a degree for PhD. But his radiation, his wisdom, his knowledge has reached all throughout the world. So we have to consider that one. That it's not actually that executive leadership is what he has learned, but it's by means of intuition and by means of feeling to other people is the one that we are dealing with. The most important thing there in acquiring education is to let the people know how they can share, how they can improve, and how they can communicate. That's the beauty when we talk about education. So I want everyone also to do like that with your learners, because your learners don't have the strategies like this. You come to school in order to learn and upgrade yourselves, the teaching strategies and methodologies. I've been using the 4A's, activity analysis, abstraction, application, for all my classes in masters and also in PhD degree programs. And I've been using also this one to my college students. That's why I used to it already. And there is really the beauty of holding that one. So in your respective classes, you can do so as well. You can radiate also, translate the technology that you have learned here in our class, share that to your learners, and your learners will really say that they are also empowered, like what I have been giving to you in our class in this meeting. Congratulations to everyone, and I challenge all of you to continue your studies. Do not stop in there, because as I said during our first meeting, it's only the time when your heart does not beat anymore, and that is also the time when you start learning. So continue learning while your heart is still beating. Congratulations, and once again.